Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be trying nail magnets from Temu, and I am really excited because some of these nail magnets promise a love effect and some cool effects. So if you're interested, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers, so if you do subscribe, that would really make me happy. I am using these two products because I wanted to test out the gel polish, and I should have used black as my base, but because I wanted to try the polish out, I used this pink, and the polish is good. If I should say, it is really good. The base coat's really good. It doesn't even leave any sticky layer. It's super good. But as for the gel polish, I don't think I would ever use it again because I don't like the color. Yeah, I am doing one coat of base coat on each of my nail. I am going in with this 5-in-1 builder gel because it also serves as a glue gel. These short square tips are from Temu as well, and I would say it is best to have long nails and you trim it down than getting short nails and using it as gel X, because it's really hard, especially when your hand is fully covering the full tip. You don't find anywhere to put your hand, like to press it, so it's kind of like difficult. But when you have a long nail tip, it's best because you can easily trim it down. These short ones are good for just regular nail glue and press-ons. I buffed my nail tips, a very optional step. I did one coat of this pink shade on each of my nail. I am using this magnetic polish also from Temu. If you watched my previous nail haul, I got this as well. And this is my first time trying the polish, so I will be seeing if it's really worth it or not. These are the magnets, and the magnetic nail polish also comes with its own magnets. I'm going in with this shade of magnetic polish. This is really good. The magnet is good, and I think the polish is also good. My thumb is already done, and I didn't add it in the video because I used the magnet from the gel polish, and it did nothing. And I honestly get why people don't use the magnet that comes with the magnetic polish. This is also good. The effect appears immediately you place your finger in there, and I like it, but not as much as the first one. It looks really good. Now getting to the one that I am most excited for, which is the one with the heart, the one that gives the heart effect. Honestly, I think my first try was my best at it looking like a hat, because I tried and tried and it wasn't giving the hats that it promises to give. If you look on the sides, it looks very audible, and it was barely giving anything. So I kept trying and I kept you can barely see, honestly. Like, I'm trying to make a double to see, and it looks like there is something on there, but you cannot tell what it is. And maybe it's because I didn't use a black base. Maybe if I had used the black base, I would have seen it better. But honestly, I don't know. It just disappointed me, because that was the one thing that I was really excited to try. But also, I think maybe it's from Temu, and that also counts. And it was also cheap, so it all plays a role. I think if it was expensive, it would have been better. Or if I got it from somewhere else. Honestly, I wouldn't say that, because Temu products are good. Some aren't, but some are. And I think this is one of the things that unfortunately wasn't good. But out of the stuff that I got, the magnets, they all came together. They were hits and misses. Like, I did like the one that you place your finger in, and I also liked the other one, which is the main magnet. It's really good. So for the pinky, as you can see, I used the magnets, or the metal that is supposed to give the round effect, and it was giving nothing. I decided to try the what's it called, the one that is supposed to give the heart effect, and it also did nothing. And then at this point, I just gave up and used the magnet. As you can see, I tried it, and it does not look anything like a hat. And this was legit doing nothing. This is the magnet that comes with the polish, and it wasn't doing anything. So I went in with this one, and this just, looks good, of course, because this is the best. Actually, this magnet, I do like it. This is literally giving expectations versus reality, because I was expecting to see exactly the effect that you see on the site when you're buying it, and it just didn't give it at all. For the magnet that comes with the polish, it is not good at all. This is my favorite out of it, or I like it very much. This was also good, okay, because you do see something. But for the hats, I just don't know. I'm gonna try making a shot using a black base to see if it's gonna work. If it doesn't work, then I'll be scammed. This is how it looks with a camera flashlight, and I really like the magnetic polish. Thank you for watching this video. If you stay to the end, make sure to like, comment with a purple hat, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye.